Assalamualaikum. Myself Sizana Jaman. The last 3 digit of my student ID is 123. Today I'm gonna show you how to calculate effective annual rate, bond valuation, capital budgeting, IRR and loan amortization. So first of all, we are calculating effective annual rate. Here our present value 1 point and it is minus figure. It has minus figure. R means rate, 12%, N means year, 1 year, month, M means month, 12 month. So now we are calculating effective annual rate. So guys, there is present value including, that's why we have to make a future value of effective annual rate. So equal, the formula would be equal future value rate. Here our rate is 12%. Here month is including, that's why we for calculating rate we have to deduct month from rate, comma NPR year into month. We are multiplying with month because here a month including, comma payment, there is no payment there, that's why payment would be 0. Okay, comma present value of minus figure. Here already minus figure including, so present value, comma type would be end of the period. Okay, bracket close, minus 1. Yeah, this is our effective annual rate. Now we are convert it into converted it into percentage. Yeah, 6.12%. Our effective annual rate is 6.12%. Now we are calculating bond valuation. Here par value means future value 1000, coupon interest rate 14%, years to maturity 20, yield to maturity 12%. So we have to calculate present value of bond valuation because here par value including, that's why it means our future value including, that's why we have to create bond value of present value. So the formula would be equal present value rate would be yield to maturity, comma NPR means years to maturity, comma payment, there is so payment, for making payment present value, sorry, par value in multiply with coupon interest rate, comma future value. Here par value means future value, so selecting future value, comma type would be end of the period, bracket close, enter. Yeah, this is our bond valuation, this is our present value of bond valuation. Now we are calculating capital budgeting. So first of all we are calculating net present value and it is NPV. So the formula would be NPV rate. Our rate would be discount rate, comma value means first year to 5th year, bracket close, plus our initial value, enter. Yeah, this is our, if we are now we are convert it into currency. Okay, yeah, this is our net present value. our IRR would be, the formula is equal IRR tab values would be entire net cash flow bracket close 10%. If we convert it into percentage, now we are converted it into percentage, 10.38%. So now we are calculating payback period. So here our positive cumulative cash flow starting from end of the third year and beginning of the fourth year. That's why we have to include 3, because our positive cash flow starting from end of the third year. So the formula would be equal, we are at 3 plus our ABS formula number would be cumulative cash flow third year, which means here our positive cash flow starting. So third year cumulative cash flow divided by fourth year net cash flow bracket close. Now we are converted it into number. So 3.9 years our payback period. If if we want to including years, YEARS years, that's why we have to go this format, number format, more number format, choose custom, and we choose years. If there is no including years, we have to type hash, then years, like this, press OK. Yeah, 3.91 years now, and it is our project one's payback period, net present value, IRR. Now we are calculating project 2's net present value. So the formula is NPV equal NPV, rate is discount rate 8%, comma values means first year to fifth year bracket close, plus now we are adding initial cash flow, enter. Yeah, this is our net present value. Our IRR would be, the formula is equal IRR, the entire net cash flow bracket close, enter. And now we are converted it into percentage, 11.34%. Okay, now we have to create payback period. So equal, here like project 1, here also our positive cash flow started from ending of the third year and beginning of the fourth year. That's why we have to add 3 plus our ABS formula number would be cumulative cash flow, third year's cumulative cash flow divided by fourth year's net cash flow bracket close, enter. Now we have to convert it into number means years. Yeah, 3.76 years. Now we are add years, so more number format, choose custom, and we have to find our years. Yeah, this is, press OK. So this is our payment, this is our payback period. Now we are calculating IRR, X IRR and M IRR. So first of all we are calculating IRR of project A. We choose this cell, equal IRR formula, values would be project 1's entire values, bracket close, enter, percentage 19.86%. Project B equal formula IRR, values would be entire values of project B, bracket close, enter. %21.6%. Now we are calculating X IRR. So the formula would be equal X IRR tab values would be, now we are calculating project A, so the entire values of project A, comma, dates means entire dates, bracket close, enter, and we have to convert it into percentage. Here we have to note a point that IRR, X IRR and M IRR are showing in percentage. So that's why we have converted it into percentage. 22.5%. Guys, our answer is 22.5%, also including. In project B, IRR values would be entire values of project B, comma, bracket close, enter, convert it into percentage. 21. We are calculating IRR, but we have to calculate X IRR. We had a mistake, so equal X IRR tab values would be entire values of project A, comma, dates, entire dates, bracket close, comma, 26.43%. Our project B is X IRR. Now we are calculating M IRR of project A, equal M IRR tab values means project A's entire values, comma, finance rate. Our finance rate is 12%. It is our cost of capital, so choosing 12%, and our reinvest rate is 12%, and it cost of capital, so bracket close, enter. We have to convert it into percentage. Yeah, our project A's M IRR is 16.19%. In project B, M IRR values means entire values of project B, comma, reinvest rate is 12% for both project A and project B, comma, finance rate and reinvest rate is same, 12%. Enter, convert it into percentage. Yeah, 16.04% our M IRR. Like this we have to calculate this IRR, this X IRR and this M IRR. So yeah, now we are calculating loan amortization. For loan amortization, our month would be 0. We have to fill series. We have to do fill series. We have to go this fill series. If if we choose copy sales, that's why our entire sales would be 0. That's why we have to choose fill series. Yeah, this is our month. Now we have to make payment. Here principal amount, here given that principal amount, rate, year, payment per year. So for payment formula we have to press equal PMT, means payment rate. Rate is 12% divided by payment per year, comma NPR would be year into payment per year, comma payment present value. Present value means principal amount. It is our present value, comma future value. There is no future value, that's why we have to press 0, comma type would be end of the period, bracket close. Yeah, this is our payment. For fill this series we have to freeze it, so that's why we have to go function bar, press F4, write down button F4. Yeah, we freeze our entire values without zeros, so enter. Now we fill the series. Our payment rate has been included. For interest rate, the formula is equal IPMT. Rate is 12% divided by payment per month. If there was no payment per month or per year, we do not have to divide it from rate and including from multiply with NPR. So our par would be 1, comma NPR means year into payment per year. Present value means principal amount. Future value, there is no future value, so future value is 0, comma type is end of the month, bracket close, enter. Yeah, this is our interest. We have to freeze it. For fill the entire series, function 4, we fill the entire formula without par. H9, here H9 our par function. Yeah, this is our interest. Principal equal, the formula is PPMT rate. First of all, we have to put rate. Rate is 12% divided by payment per year, comma par means 1, comma NPR means year into payment per year, comma present value means principal amount, comma future value 0, comma type would be end of the year, bracket close. Principal, our principal of first month is 1000.84 and it is minus figure. We have to freeze it. Like interest, we function the entire formula without par. means H9 cell, press enter. Fill the series. Yeah, this is our payment of 180 month. And for balance, our initial balance means principal amount is 5 lakh. So we have to write here 5 lakh. 5 lakh currency. We have to convert it into currency. Yeah, our initial balance is 5 lakh. So now we are calculating our first month ending balance. So that's why we have to press for finding ending balance. We have to deduct our principal from our initial balance. So our principal balance is we are or okay, our principal balance is 5 lakh minus our principal amount. So first year's principal amount. So guys, we are looking our first month's principal amount is negative figure. That's why we have to add another minus, then this figure. Yeah, this is our converted into currency. This is our ending balance of first month, and it would be our beginning balance of second month. So for calculating second month's ending balance, we have to deduct it from our ending balance of first month. So our principal amount or present value is this first month ending balance minus our second value. Our second month's principal amount is already negative figure. That's why we have to add another minus. Press second month's principal amount, press enter. Now we have to convert it into currency. Yeah, this is our second month's ending balance, and it would be our third month's beginning balance. So like this guys, we can calculate effective annual rate, bond valuation, capital budgeting, IRR, XIRR, MIRR, loan amortization. So thank you guys.